Well, here it is, my box. I can't wait to dig into it. I sped this up a little because I was trying to be careful and not cut myself, so it took me a few minutes to get it open. I really need to replace that blade. Okay, finally open. And here it is. My new set of Royal Talens Van Gogh watercolor paints. I have been dying to get these, and a big shout out to my Patreon supporter Teresa, who enabled me to be able to make this purchase. This is the 18 color palette, and it comes with 2 extra colors, a tube of Payne's Gray and a tube of Chinese White. It comes with a sponge and a number 6 round brush by Royal Talens. Here, I'll get a little closer so you can see it a little better. Now I caught this off of eBay, of all places, and normally this set runs $40 or more, but I found it for $23 and I had a $5 off coupon, so I got it for $18.99. I couldn't pass it up. Now I know some people spray their watercolors to moisten them. I decided to just use a pipette and wet each one, and I'm going to swatch them out on this Blick hot press watercolor paper. I got the Blick to test out a while back for colored pencil. I'm not a fan, so I thought I'd use it to swatch out my colors. But don't worry, I'm not going to torture you through the swatching process and make you watch me do it in real time, so I sped that part up quite a bit too. Now this Blick paper, it is 100% cotton. It's considered archival, and it's nice, but it is a major pain to get out. I even used my palette knife like I do with everything else. Yeah, it tears. It's not good. Not good. I had pre-made the chart in anticipation of getting the paints, so I was all ready to go. Those black bars at the top, I used those to check the opacity of the watercolors. And I can say with all definite... Oh, lost my train of thought. I can tell you that the lemon yellow has more opacity to it, and it does show up over the black. And that's the only color that really stood out. These are really nice. I have to tell you, they all blended beautifully. Now, please, don't be judging the gradients. I was not trying to do perfect, beautiful watercolor gradients. I was just rushing through trying to get the colors down so I'd have a color chart. So, don't be a perfectionist. The Payne's Gray was beautiful. Had a problem with the white. The white was hard, so I had to kind of work with that a bit. But there's the colors. They're nice and bright. Now, on the chart here, where it should be the azo yellow light, I actually put the lemon yellow. And in the permanent lemon yellow, I put the azo yellow light. So that's why I put the little arrows there to remind myself. I swatched them in the wrong spot because I was so excited and I was not paying as close attention as I should have been while making the swatches. So that's what I got, and I am so thrilled. These are all light fast. Every single color in this set is 100% light fast. I'm starting a portrait of a red-tailed hawk named Rusty, and she is a refuge hawk here at Fontenay Forest Wildlife Raptor Refuge. So I started her portrait, and you can see the eye here, and I've done a little bit since then, and you can see how she's coming along. I'm really loving these, but this is not a review, so we'll just have to hold off on reviews. This is just first impressions. If you like this video, why don't you do me a favor and hit that big old subscribe button and hit the notification bell and become a part of my wolf pack. Until next time, keep creating.